These days, everybody wants to go viral. Companies want to use social media to attract more customers. Universities want to use social media to attract more students. But when I talk to the people in charge, I find often that, number one, they themselves are not savvy social media users, and number two, they have no clue how social media actually works. It's like talking to somebody who wants to build a startup, and when you ask them, what do you want to make? They say, I don't know, I just want to get rich. So I wanted to make this video targeted mainly at managers, administrators, and leaders who are not savvy users of social media, but who want to leverage social media for their organization. Now, I'm not saying that all boomers are like this, but a lot of the ones that I speak to are. If that's you, here are 3 things you need to understand. Number 1, don't treat social media like a bulletin board. Don't use social media to point elsewhere. A lot of academics I know use social media for event announcements. Come to our seminar this Saturday. Register for a new workshop. Apply now for summer study abroad. But that's not content. That's a flyer. For boomers and Gen X, that's how things used to work. But we no longer live in the age of listservs and BBSs. We live in an age where content is king. The post is the product. The post has to be the main attraction. If your post is just pointing elsewhere, it feels like an ad. And if it feels like an ad, people scroll. Number 2, don't treat social media like a scrapbook. The opposite mistake is using social media as a memory archive. Here are some photos of our event. Download pictures of you and your friends. Here's what you missed. Now, that only matters to people who were there. If only insiders care, it's not good content. Insider jokes don't scale. That's not to say you cannot post about past events, but the post itself has to be interesting, even for people who did not attend. So the question you have to ask yourself is, would a complete stranger care about this? Number 3, don't use social media to make ads. People are already flooded with ads. Why would they want more from you? One thing I often hear from leaders of organizations is, we need to promote our organization on social media. We need to advertise our services on social media. So what do? They hire some young person to do social media for them. But put yourself in the shoes of that young person. What content are they supposed to create exactly? Usually, it becomes a boring rehash of the word salad on your website or a phony-sounding recap of a corporate event. It feels like marketing, and if it feels like marketing, people move on. Instead, you should do this. Keep in mind that the best content is already inside your organization. Instead of trying to manufacture content, you should look for people who are already creating content, people who are already active on social media, who actually enjoy posting and care about what they're sharing. Look for these employees and amplify their posts, repost their content. That way you'll have an endless stream of content that is heartfelt and genuine, that reflects what people are truly passionate about. If you're not a content creator yourself, don't force it. Focus on amplifying people who already are, because your job is to surface good content. So to recap, if you want to grow on social media, number 1, don't point elsewhere. The post is the product. Number 2, don't post only for insiders. Make the post attractive for everyone. Number 3, don't be phony. Don't sound like an ad. Social media is like a startup. You don't grow by announcing things. You grow by making something people want. If your posts are interesting, people come to you. And if they're not, nothing else you do will matter. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.